Savers, welcome back to my channel. Make sure that you guys like, subscribe, and share. We are growing. Also, everything in this video that you're seeing is a money maker. If I were to just buy one of each of the items that I recorded in the video, it would have been a $2.72 money maker. I also use Shopkicks and Ibotta to complete this transaction, in addition to the coupons.com app. All the paper coupons in here I got from the Sunday paper or from coupons.com. Make sure if you haven't downloaded the Ibotta, Shopkick, Swagbucks, or Fetch Rewards apps, do so in the description box below. Hey, Praise and Savers, walking into Walmart, and I'm going to try to work on that Weekend Warrior bonus. I think it's $5, and then I also have that July 4th bonus, but that tracks until like the 12th or something, so have some time on that. So let's get started. I'm super excited about this Jergens Ultra Healing Lotion. It's only $3.48, and I can give this to my daddy because he needs lotion all the time, or also put it in plastic bags. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this $1.50 coupon that came out probably about a month ago. All right, and then there's also a dollar back on Ibotta rebate. So it's $3.48. Excuse me, let me change my math on here because it's a little different. 1 second. 48. All right, so $3.48, taking that $1.50 coupon off, and that makes it $1.98, and then the dollar rebate on Ibotta makes these just 98 cents each, and you can do this deal up to 5 times. Lotion deal. This is on the Suave Advance. These are $1.72, and there are, I believe, 400 scans and kicks on the Shopkick app. And that's about $1.60 kicks, making this just 12 cents per bottle of lotion. Next deal is on that Suave Men's shampoo. It is $1.98. We have a $1.50 coupon, making this just 48 cents each. So we'll pick up both of those. Now, you could go to Kroger and get these as a money maker if you would like. I just found these on the clearance aisle. These were $7.98, the blue emo patches. Now $3. I do use these because I work out and my legs hurt all the time. So great deal on this patch. Huge money maker on the Poise pads. So these are $4.68. I have a $3 off coupon that just came out, and then I also have a $3 principal. So make sure you print that off if you haven't done that yet. This is going to make these $1.68. And then I have a $2 off on Ibotta that's going to come off per pad, and this is a limit of 2. So I'm going to be picking up 2 containers of pads, and I will be profiting that $2 off as well. Really quick, because that wasn't adding up right on my screen here. So the Poise pads, I'm getting 2 of those at $4.68. It's going to make it $9.36. I'm using 2 of those $3 off coupons. So that's $6 in coupons. After coupons, it's going to be $3.36. I'm going to do the Ibotta $2 twice. That's $4. Making these a profit of 64 cents. Amazing. Kotex is $5.47. You may still have some of these in your store, but there were some peelies, and I actually just found one for $2 off, making these just $3.47. And then there's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making it $1.47. So you can do this deal up to 5 times if you have the $2 coupons. There's also the $4 off too on coupons.com, so you might want to check that out as well. Got some money makers on the Colgate Renewal. This is actually going to be a $1.04 money maker. So what you're going to do is pick up one of these renewals. You're going to scan this on the coupons.com app, and that will give you a $3 off coupon. So do not use your paper coupons for this. Use your $3 coupon on coupons.com. And then also you're going to submit on Ibotta for $5 back, making this a $1.04 money maker. Awesome deal. Coupons, you know, the Nature Alive vitamins. I've gotten this before. These are $8.92. You're going to actually get 2 Ibotta rebates on this. You'll get a $2 and a $4. Making these just $2.92, and you can do this deal up to 5 times if you would like. So $2.92 for vitamins. Okay, I've been picking up these Sparkle tear squares, and it's still on the app again. So it's $1 back. These are $3.97. $1 back makes these $2.97. And you can do this deal up to 5 times. Today I'm going to go ahead and pick up 5 of them, $2.97 each. Great deal on paper towel. We got the Indiana popcorn again in our rebates. They are $2.68. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.25, making these just $1.43 a bag, and you can pick up the different varieties that they have on the shelf. But I'm going to stick with the butter and the sweet kettle corn, and they're out of the butter. This is the last bag. I believe that we have some Nerds gummy clusters. I thought I wiped this store out. So these are 98 cents. On Ibotta, you can get 50 cents back with a limit of 5, making these just 48 cents a box. Gonna pick up as many as they have here. I finally found these in my store. They were in one section and they moved them to another section, but these are $3.78 and these are a total freebie. You'll get back $3.78 on your Ibotta app when you submit your receipt. Great deal.